How to change region on Gate application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to change your region on the Gate application using your phone, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Gate application on your smartphone or tablet and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page logged in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture or your profile icon. Once you're inside, tap on your name at the top and you'll be taken to this page. From here, go ahead and tap on Preference. Inside Preference, tap Region. Now, go ahead and select a different region you want and click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see you have signed out. Go ahead and enter your email or your username or your login credential and log into your account like you normally did. And that is how you can easily change your region on Gate application using your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.